Hi, this is Amy with Go Places English, and today I want to talk about the pronunciation of ah and in American English. Certain word pairs can be tricky to pronounce correctly. Many students confuse the pronunciation of these words. So I want to spend some time practicing with you today. Let's consider some examples. The words body and buddy. The word body has the ah sound. Ah, body, body, ah. The word buddy has the sound. Buddy, buddy, Let's compare the vowel sound again. Ah, body, buddy, ah, ah, Let's look at some more word pairs. Boss, boss, bus, bus, hog, hog, hug, hug, wander, wander, wonder, wonder. All right, very good. You can instantly improve your English and sound more like a native speaker by practicing and speaking these word pairs correctly. When you master American English pronunciation, you can speak with confidence knowing that your pronunciation is accurate and listeners will understand you. If this lesson was helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Go Places English. Where will English take you? Thanks!